Hello everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic time. I am Ronnie Chiquete and today I bring you the PP Widget version number 4 or 4 inches depending how you want to say it. The personal pet widget has gone a long way since its inception and now it is doing quite a few things that I am very proud of. In this specific release, I aim to add a few things that, although not many, I believe that they are important to make it something that you want to use. So let's give it a look and let's see what you think about it. For the first change, greeting a new chatter once per stream, it is self-explanatory. Basically, every time somebody comes into the stream and sends a message for the first time, they're gonna get greeted by the bot. Now you will notice that it is saying my name, and that is precisely the second change that is included here, which is being able to recognize the name of a person who is triggering the command. Now, how do we do this? Well, there are two things that change from version 3 to version 4, and that is that first, the animation number 2, now it's called animation 2 greeting. Now, the animation greeting means that this is automatically recognized as the greeting animation regardless of what command or regardless of what event you indicate that it's going to be triggered by. So the idea is that this is going to be triggered automatically every time somebody comes into the stream and chats for the first time, on during that stream, of course. Now, if you don't want to have the automatic greeting, it's very simple. All you have to do, just remove the command from it, and that's it. Now, one more thing that it's tying in with this new feature is that now you can also use the keyword username, and what that is going to cause is that the username is going to be automatically replaced by the widget by the name of the person that is triggering the command if it is triggered manually, or by the name of the person that is triggering the event in case a Twitch event is the one that is triggering this. You can use this in any of the pet replies, not just in this one. Another function that was added is that now you are able to indicate variations of text, and then the pet is going to just use them at random. For example, in this case we have only one phrase, which is hi username, but if we use the semicolon to separate this text and then we add another phrase, sometimes it's going to use the first one and sometimes it's going to use the second one. And finally, there is one more static change that was added to make it easier for people that like to use characters that might be facing the other side, or just to be able to have more flexibility, and that is to be able to select the orientation of the bubble. So in this case, by default, it's on the left. And what do I mean by this? Well, there is a little arrow indicator below the pet bubble, and it is normally going to the left. Now, as you can tell, now it's on the right side, and there we do again left, and now you can see that it's on the left again. And that is the update number 4 of the PP widget, PP 4 inches, and I want to hear what you think about it. I added these functions because I believe that they are useful and some people were asking for that. I can see that they were something that felt missing to get some personality into the pet, and there are a few more things included. You can see it on the Trello board that you're gonna see the link in the description and also on the screen. And in case you have any questions, doubts, or yeah, anything really, just let me know. Before we finish the video, I want to remind you that this, along with any other widget, anything related to video games or game reviews, and now game development, which I'm learning how to do, I usually will do it live, and you can find me at my Twitch channel, Rene Chiquete. So if you have any questions, doubts, suggestions, or just want to have a good time, drop by. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope that you find this useful, and of course, as always, I'll be more than happy to hear your feedback at Twitter or Discord. Everything, all the links are there in the description. Remember, subscribe and like the video if you really like it. If you didn't like it, you can dislike it as well. But leave a comment, because a dislike without information of what you don't like is not gonna help me. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.